So today we're going to be talking about QR codes. QR codes are this type of graphics that you probably have seen elsewhere outside on the world. And what QR code stands for is quick response, meaning that you can use your cell phone to take a snapshot of this code, the quick response code, QR code for short. And then from here, you can be taken to different places. Usually you are taken into a website for you to check out. Let me just show you something here. Let's go into the benefits of using the QR codes. And as you would see here, the benefits is because these codes are a bridge between online, because you have things online that you want to show, and offline media. Offline being in this case the cell phone, which is lives outside the online world, and then you have a connection. That connection or bridge is actually the QR code, and it's helpful because you want the person to take a certain action, and that action needs to be taken right there, and so that's how they come pretty handy. Now, these are QR codes are effective in lead generation, and also if you want to reduce printing costs and you want to send the person right away into your website, then that's when that has a pretty good use. And also that's why it's called a quick response, because it's no waiting time. And in this case, QR codes are also good to generate Google reviews or any type of reviews. Actually, it could be a Yelp review, Bing review, Facebook review, all those things. So I'm going to show you ways. Usually, it's being known the QR codes as a black and white, which is was okay back in the year. Nowadays, it's pretty boring, and now people have moved into those type of codes into a more colorful ones and even more fancy ones. So I'm going to show you ways to do it for free. So that way you can show those QR codes and then gather information from people or show them your website or Facebook, gather more Google reviews, so forth and so on. You see, it's pretty fun to actually create one of those. So the first thing you want to do is come to Google and type this URL, which I'm typing right here, app.qr-code-generator.com, and subscribe with them. It's a free subscription, as you can see here. There's also a pro version for that, but in this case, all you need is the free version for what you want, and then just kind of log in with Google or any other way. Usually, the other way will be the regular email and password. Just find your way in is very easy. The way I did it was by using Google login. Now I'm running in the incognito mode, so I'm just gonna go into my regular page because I'm already logged in there, so I can show you the inside. Now, before I go into create one, I want to show you one example, and you can see that is pretty different from the previous ones I show you, the black and ones. You can even include different colors, make a frame around, put your logo inside like I just did with this particular one, change the colors to blue, to red, to any color that you want. Same thing for these little kind of squares, and then the color inside can also be changed. I'll try, I'll try to do it here just to match it up everything, because this is how the logo looks like. And then you can type anything you want in here and review us. So once that's done, all you have to do is just basically download the image and then print it out on a piece of paper using your regular printer, and then frame it, and then just put it or they're hanging on a nice frame or an acrylic thing that you can place on your front desk so people can see it, and then just take a picture using their phones so they can be taken anywhere you want to. In this case, the person will be taken into your Google reviews section right away, straight away. Now I'm here on my dashboard after signing in, and you see that I'm in the menu. I already created the one I just showed you. And in this case, I was taking that particular one to my own website page, but it doesn't matter. I mean, it could be your page too. Keep in mind that I'm using the free trial that ends on 13 days. It's up to you if you want to upgrade yourself. I'm not even sure how much it costs because I'm not planning to use it for a long time, just to create the ones I need, and that's it. And maybe if I'm going to be using more, then I would be paying for the particular service. Why not? But in this case, what you can do is just at least use the free trial, because it has all the capabilities that you need, as if you were on the paid one. And so what you want to do is just come here to this green button and then create a QR code. So we're going to create a different one here. And then in this case, there's different ways you can play around here, and different types of QR codes. Pretty good to very interesting to check on, basically. But at this point, only thing I want to show you at this point is the website. So I'm clicking on it, and then I'm just going to click on the green button again to go to the next one. And then in here, I'm just gonna write the person's, well, the practice name, just like that. I can go ahead and preview that, which is come. This is the original one, the black and white type of thing. And so I'm just gonna click on next. Let me just lower this a little more so you can see. Click on next because I have already done the website or the link to the website itself. So the next page comes where I can start doing something about it. Let's see, in this case, what are the options. So this pops up immediately without me doing anything, telling me what else you want to do with it. All right, so there are several options. One is that you can select the way it looks, like in this case, like that. Or if I want to change it to something else, notice that you can change that too. And you can use different ways. It's up to you. It's just a matter of taste, different taste. And also you can change the color in here if you want to do so. And notice that it would change the color of the frame as well as the call to action button. In here, you can say review me. And so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, review me. And so, yeah, that's it. That's going to the review me. And there's more options. You want to change this type of the way it seems in here. Like, let's say, let's do the dots. It can be done, or it can also change into that. And again, it's a personal taste. Doesn't matter exactly what. You're going to be taking exactly into the same page. If you want to change the color of it, then just go ahead and change that color. And notice, well, I'm using the same color. Let me use a different color. There you go. A little bit of a different color. So that's what you can do. Now, if you want to change, not change, but actually upload your logo, you can see here, you're just going to click in here and upload your logo. In this case, I already have my own logo here. So I'm just going to click in there. And so I have placed my logo. But in your case, you'll be uploading the logo, and then it will be automatically shown right over here. So once you're happy with what you have created, it's ready. Now you're ready to just basically click in here on this download button. Before you do that, you want to check on this type of formats. Usually I work with PNG and JPJ, and but you also want to do this particular one because it's good for some printing purposes, as well as this allows the image to be resize in all kinds of different sizes. If you want, or you know that you're going to be using this for a while, all I have to do is just basically download each one of them if I want to. And this will be especially good for, again, for a printer as well as this. So I might as well, do that download too. But first, and usually it will be either way, PNG and JPN. Some people swear by PNG because it has more quality according to them. I have not found any big difference in my case. So either way, you want to select, that's sort of okay. And once you're done, you just basically download everything and send it to the printer, or print it out yourself from your own office printer, and paste it in, hang it out, distribute it, put it on business cards, flyers, everywhere you can go on or need to go to or use it on. And that's one of the ways to use the QR code in a very nice way. Okay, any questions, just send me a message and I'll help you with this. Thank you very much.